So today we're gonna be washing my 2023 Suzuki GSXR 1000R. So yeah, let's get to it. First, we gotta grab all of our supplies. This is what we'll be using. So honestly, what's up, Sky? We'll take this.
What the hell? What if you don't get your squiggly dick in the head? What the hell is it? What the hell? What if you don't get your squiggly dick in the head? What the hell is it? Don't sleep about that dumbass. What in the hell you doing? Don't sleep about that dumbass.
Just set this over here and make sure she doesn't touch any of these because I don't need her getting sick. Probably shouldn't set that there, but I did anyway. So yeah, we're gonna go fill this up with water, clean it. Yeah. Okay, so shout out to Colton. My friend, he has the C5 Corvette's can. He put me on with this, and then also shout out to my dad for like the great cleaning supplies. But yeah, I'm gonna try to put this in the description because I don't know if it's gonna let me because they said I had to like be verified or something, or like to do some verification to like put it in there. But yeah, let's get into this. I'll show y'all how to do it. Grab some coffee. Boom. Alright. So let's grab all this. I probably should wash these, but we're gonna reuse them again. Just set them in that bucket. I didn't put any soap in this bucket because I mean I already got the foam gun, so just need water. Set this here. We'll go get the stand. Show you how to do this. It's really easy. It's not hard. I like to set it like right here, like that. You want to make sure your handlebars are straight. Shout out to my friend. I'll put his tag in here because he showed me how to do this. My hands are wet, but it's like the easy way to do it. Okay. And then make sure they're on the spools, which one of them isn't. Why is being complicated? There we go. Push it down. Boom. On the spools. And then you let the kickstand up. Boom. There you go. So yeah, that's how you do it. Boom. Put this on here. Spin it on there. Turn the water on. Get that done. And then I usually take this off. It's already dirty. I should probably keep it on there, but I don't want it to like get wet or anything. Alright, put this on here. Alright, there you go. And now from there, all you do is just spray it up. Kind of stuck. Can't really be scared to get it like soapy and wet.
What do you mean by that?
I mean, I am sometimes still, but okay. Go. Now that's all nice and soapy. You can grab a sponge. Usually I don't like drain it. I like to keep it wet.
What do you mean by that?
But it's kind of hot because I put really hot water. But just start doing this. Oh, is that another scratch? Oh my gosh, I don't know if y'all can see that. Bro. Oh my gosh. Like he's like getting so many scratches. I don't even know from what. Like, guys, help me out. But now I'm trying to get a new extended windscreen. As y'all can see, it's extended and it's slightly smoked. I kind of want it like more like taller, but I seen one that I actually like. It's like the S1K type ones on a GSXR, but it low-key didn't look like I thought it would. It low-key looked a little bit extreme, so I don't know if I end up doing it. No, I'm so happy I got this rear tire stand now because now I can finally like clean the rims really easily. Oh my gosh, what the heck did I just say? Easily. Alright, but not. So here, all you do, look, so much more easier now. You can spin the tire. Oh my gosh, lifesaver. I need to get some rim cleaner. I need to get my parents got some yesterday, as a matter of fact. Gosh, I need to ask my homeboy if he can clean my sprocket. I wonder how to do that. I need to change the oil again. My homeboy's gonna do that. I want to learn, so I'm gonna ask him if I can, like, most of it. Probably, we'll see. I might start messing it up. Okay, let's just scrub that really good. Okay. I can get two stands, and then I could probably, what is this? Then I can do the front rim even easier. Okay. So next, I'm low-key doing this backwards. I usually do the rims last. I don't know. Like, we need some more foam on this, but I'll go find the rim cleaner. For a second. I try to be quick. As y'all can see, there's some bugs there. Let's clean this up. There we go. I hope it doesn't rain. I'm cleaning my bike, but there doesn't show to be any sign of rain. But you know, Texas weather, you never know. Okay, I doubled last time on the phone, but I don't think I'll do that. And then put these gloves on, clean the tires. It's kind of what I do. Son, please come out well. Actually, no, it's kind of iffy if I want you out, son, because all right, there we go. All right, now we gotta go do the front. I have to move a little bit. I need to get like more of these to do the rims too, because I do feel like they're a big help. But the problem with that is, the only reason I don't use the ones I have now for the rims is because, you know, you're cross-contaminating things from the tires to the rims, so I don't usually do that. Okay. Oh, there we go. The rims is like the one thing I'm like not the best at, or not that I can't do it, but like I don't really be caring too much. As long as it looks pretty clean, then I don't really care. Because rims, they're not gonna stay clean either way. These towels, I have none to dry this off. So grab this up. Okay, under them. All right, so we're gonna clean these rims quickly. I just realized I don't think any of y'all could see what I just did, so here, I'm gonna move the camera a little bit. Hopefully y'all can see that. The whole time y'all just didn't even see me scrubbing the rims. It's because I got y'all on a chest mount, so like I don't really know where it is, like what y'all are looking at. Hopefully that's better. Hopefully y'all did see that. But I'll adjust it, see if we can get it off a different angle. Alright, let's clean that off though. If I'm doing something wrong, like please let me know, because I'm still trying to. I never really used tire cleaner on my bike. So yeah. Okay. Okay, this side. That's not good. Kind of landed in my eye, but it's cool. probably should be wearing gloves with this, but I think it's definitely best to like wear gloves. Is gloves and eyewear. We'll go spray this off. Alright. So what you can do now is you can take this off. You can use it as a sprayer. I mean, up to you. Rims are nice and clean. Boom. Okay, now I should probably do these, and then I'll dry it off, even though it's probably already air dried by now. Let's get it. Spray my hands off so I can touch the handlebars. Okay, I'm gonna move this forward a little bit, and my wheels turned, so. All right, probably right there. Go. I can't wait till Friday. I don't know, Friday shouldn't be too busy, but I'm trying to get this video out. Just editing, of course. All right, I think my rim should be good. Rinse that off. There. We'll get to rinsing off. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna rinse it off again, real quick. Oh, what is that? Also, let me know in the comments how often you should clean and lube your chain. It said like every 600 miles, but like I know when you get water on your chain, it can tend to rust, so I try to like clean it a little bit more often. I was doing it like every wash, in all honesty, but I kind of stopped doing that. I don't know if that's bad, but let me know in the comments. Also, let me know how my voice sounds, because I don't have a mic, so. All cleaned up. Go get a towel. I'll show you all the towel that I use. It's the only clean towel that I have right now, currently. Well, no, I do. So we'll use this. This is actually from the job. This is from my job. I'll use this for the rims. I usually use terry cloths for my rims because they work really good, but we'll just use this. And then we'll use this to wipe down. It's a carbon fiber towel. We'll just use this to clean the bike. So we'll go this. Oh, what is that? Hold up. Hold on, I don't think we're even done. Why didn't that come off when I washed it? I'm not scrubbing it. that's another thing. Sometimes you'll get some stuff on here that like will not come off. You have to get certain stuff. Like I don't even know what that's from, but it's cool. Wipe it down real good. That's number one goal. I like these towels because they're super soft. Super soft. Carbon fiber towels is what they're called. I thought they were made for carbon fiber, which they could be, but they work so good on wiping down because they're super soft. Okay, let's wipe that off. They got some aftermarket clutch levers, clutch and brake levers, as well as lever guards coming. So stay tuned for that. I'm really excited because I think that's gonna be really cool. They're blue, so I'll make a video on that for sure. Also went for my brake reservoir cap because it's supposed to come in. I don't even know when it's supposed to come in, but I'm ready for it. Oh shoot, I also forgot the main thing that I do when I'm washing my bike. I'll show y'all the little trick that I do. Well, it's not even a trick, it's just kind of... Alright, I'll get it. I'll be back. Okay. Did that 6 times. Alright. To get all the excess like water. You see all that, right? What I do. Look, all right. All this is. Right now, so try to get it off. Boom. Okay. Cover. Okay. I'll have to clean this in a second. I'll show you how to clean that though. Really tedious. Well, I don't know how tedious it is, but it's pretty easy to do. I gotta clean the rims. I gotta hurry. I need them getting watermarks. Water spots. Bro, how did I miss that? Most of it's clean. I think I got most of it. I think I got all of it. I gotta figure this out, bro. My fairing right here keeps coming like. Could tape it. I don't know. I'll figure that out. It's not a big deal though. Time for the rims, guys. get this done. And then let her off the stand. Rims shouldn't even take that long, to be honest, now that I have the stand. Rims are like the least of my worries now. The front one still gotta do, obviously, but the rear tire was always the most frustrating for me, I feel like. Grab this. Got water now. I'll have to go get the blower and blow that off again. Clean this too. Forks, want to get those as much as you can. That's where all the dust be getting. Alright, these are looking fine. They're not too bad on the water. Okay, boom. Over here. Stuff be there. Bug up there. Clean that off. Okay. Move it a little bit. Oh, look at that water. Off. ASAP. Okay, I think it's good. I gotta see what time it is. What time is it? 12:20. Shoot, I got enough time to get ready for school. Gotta get to class. Okay. Down. I don't know. Should I do a POV ride to school? I could. All right, this should be good. So now I'll go show you how to clean your, it depends on what exhaust you have, but mine's titanium. And as you know, titanium is really tedious. So let's go grab it. Guys in the vlog. Alright, so all you do for this is get some alcohol, get a wipe. I'm gonna use the clean side, obviously, but spray it on here. Don't be scared. Don't put a lot, but don't put little. Boom. That's all I do. As you can see, give it a second, go away. Could be because this one's probably a little dirty. I don't know, that's how I always clean mine, to be honest. If y'all have a better way to clean it, please let me know. Just because it's titanium, so I don't know if I can see the blue too. Hold on, try to move the camera. Yeah, I don't know if I can see that. But yeah, that's it for that. But I'll hit y'all with the aesthetic startup. Should I put it in gear for the aesthetic? Fuck, that's good. Okay. Oh, hold on. Oh, it moved. really rev it because I just started it, but no, that's it. That's wash my bike. That's POV. So yeah, that's it. Gotta clean up a little bit after that. Let's get aesthetic ore farm. Nah, just kidding. Okay, let's fix that. Yellow rim. Yeah. Guys, tire move. There we go. Yeah, that's it. That's all to it. I don't know. I'll probably bring my camera. I need to see how much storage I have on my SD card, how much time I have left. I could probably get a POV ride to school, but I'll see. I'll let y'all know. But without further ado, I appreciate y'all for watching, and that's how to clean a bike. Let me know if you have any questions. I also would like some tips on how to clean better. I need to get some brushes to kind of start going like this, but it is what it is. But yeah, that's it. All right, y'all, on the ride to school. Just kickstand down, straight. Huh?
Are you shedding the garage?
Yeah.